Hi, here's Dave from WATCHDAVID. Nice to have you back. Today I have a very great watch for you from the house of Hamilton. Please take a look. Welcome back to the Matrix. A very special and limited edition for the new movie. PSR MTX. 1999 pieces. All sold out. The unboxing, I will say you where you can find a watch like this. One of the 1999 pieces. I had bought this watch private, and all details you find in my blog with much photos, details, specifications. All the links below in the description. And please follow with the bell. Thank you. And now have fun with the unboxing. Bye.